Welcome to this episode of Dada Cooks. I decided to show my face so that you guys will stop focusing on my horribly manicured nails. Anyways, today's episode, I'll bring to you this Teochew Chow San style squid, or calamari as you call it in Australia. And during the first lockdown, I shared quite a few recipes and dishes that I made at home. And this was one of the most popular ones. I think most people asked for the recipe for this. And I thought today I'll share it with you so that you realize how simple it is to make. So let's get started. Ingredients: we have some Chinese parsley, spring onion, garlic, chili, oyster sauce, fish sauce. And we have got some fresh squid. So first we'll remove the leaves from the Chinese parsley and then we'll chop them up. Next, we'll chop all the spring onions up as well. Next, slice the chilies. I usually cut them into half, and you can remove the seeds if you don't want them to be too spicy. I like mine hot, so I have chosen to leave them in there. Sometimes you can just cut it into circles as well, so it's up to you how you like your chilies. Lastly, smash some garlic, remove the outer layer and chop them up into a fine mince. Heat up some cooking oil and put a chopstick in to see whether it's hot enough. If it bubbles around the chopstick, which means it's hot, then pour the oil into the ingredients that you have prepared earlier. Add some fish sauce, followed by some oyster sauce, and a dash of pepper. Then mix it well. So I've chosen to add some abalone sea sauce. This is from Kensong. It's an Australian brand. And it's a bit different from oyster sauce. If you can look, it's more gelatin-like. Yep, I added some in. So it gives it a different dimension in terms of flavor. And this is the first time I'm cooking this dish with abalone sauce. Usually I just use oyster sauce. But I thought, since I had it, why not give it a try? Give it a good stir. Mix them well. Next, pour some hot water over the squid, or you can blanch it in a pot of hot water for about 5 seconds. Remove from the hot water, then slice it about half a cm thick. Don't slice all the way through, slice it about 90%. I'll show you from another direction so you can see how I've sliced it. Bring a pot of water to rolling boil, then place the squid in. Steam for about 4 minutes. Remember not to oversteam it as the squid can get really tough. Remove the squid from the pot and dress it up with the sauce that you have made earlier. Top with some more fresh spring onions. In a saucepan, bring some cooking oil to boil. You can test with the chopstick method we did earlier. Then drizzle it over the squid. And there you have it, my Teochew Chow San style steamed squid. Before I go and tuck into lunch, remember to click subscribe, press on the bell so you know when the next episode will be out. And I'll see you in the next Dada Cooks.